Want to set up your Google business profile? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can get your company listed on Google Search and Maps. First, search your business on Google Maps. If it's already there but unclaimed, tap the Claim This Business and follow the on-screen steps. If it is not listed, then go to google.com/business. Now, sign in with your business Gmail, then click Manage Now. Next, enter your business name and choose your type: service business, local store, or online retail. Select a business category. Pick the one customers are most likely to search for, like landscaper or plumber. Then, add your location or service area. Stick to nearby towns or cities where you actually operate. Add your phone number and website so customers can reach you easily. Google will now ask you to verify your business. This may be by phone, mail, or even video. Complete the verification step to activate your listing. Once verified, finish by adding services, business hours, a short description, and photos of your work or storefront. These details help customers choose your business over competitors. And that's it. Your Google business profile is live and ready to bring in customers. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.